Melissa's question, can you do a demo of Script Engage? I'm still trying to figure out how it works. Absolutely, because I think the price goes up tonight, so I should have mentioned that. I did a screenshot on my blog, and I sent one out via email, which really screwed that whole email up because then it made it really wide. But you can click on the full-size screenshot here in your browser to see it yourself. So I'm just going to paste this in here. It's at clicknews.com/14263, where you can click on that link there to give you the screenshot. But I actually have this open because I'm working on it, which is the same screenshot that I shared here. But then what happens? That's what I'll show you. And I'm glad you asked that because I think you're not the only one. I've had a lot of emails from people who are curious about it. So just to catch everyone up, Script Engage, and it's Script Engage 2.0, and this is my referral link, FYI. The price does go up tonight. And what it does is it creates highly customized, interactive, detailed, unique sales copy and promotional material, including tweets, Facebook ads, PPC ads, email series, follow-up series, one-time offer pages, all the copy and promotional material you need for everything you want to promote or sell online in any niche and in any way, whether it be on webinars, there's webinar scripts, phone scripts, all that kind of stuff. Melissa said, does it work with ClickFunnels? Yeah, because it just gives you the copy so you can put it in. So anyway, this is my account right here. It's actually an interactive account. I may be logged out now because I was off my computer earlier today. Anyway, that's me. I customized my account there and added my little picture to it. So what happens is you go into the dashboard. Let me see if I'm not logged out. All right, looks like we're good. So you go into the dashboard is where you first do it. I've already signed up here. Anyway, you create an avatar first, and it has some examples here, so you can kind of go through. You're not like completely in the blank or in the dark or on your own. It has some like weight loss, women's weight loss, Mary, MMO niche, Ryan, personal development, Cynthia, local business marketing, Brad. So it has some different avatars already set up, and that's basically your ideal client or your ideal visitor. And that way you can go through there. And there's really short, really good video tutorials too, by the way. But anyway, you can kind of go through there and see how the example ones are set up. So you go in, and the first thing you need to do in order to make any of it work is set up your new avatar. And you put in here the name of them, so like Webinar Promo Cindy, or let's say it's going to be Low Carb Lucy, right? Or whatever. So you just basically give it a name. What's the general age range? And I know this based on my Facebook demographics, but just answer it the best that you can. That's it. Then this is where it gets really good. It gets into your USP framework, which is your unique selling position. And it walks you through step by step what's ultimately going to become very unique story-driven copy. Like, this makes it so easy to write copy, right? What's the end result, the specific end result? What's the number one thing you're going to show them how to do? What was the epiphany moment? Why are you showing them how to do this, or when you discovered it to do it yourself, or whatever? So, for example, I'm in the process of finishing, because I am not giving up on it, a guide that I'm writing for the low carb market. It's actually a weight loss motivation guide that I'm really excited about. So coming up with the kind of copy that is going to convert for this particular topic very specifically is what I'm working on. So you go through here and you just fill in the blank. It's just like a fill in the blank, step-by-step thing, right? Then you get to the next, step 3. What's the number one pain they want to avoid? Losing money, gaining weight, dying, I don't know. What's the number one thing they want to avoid? What are the big problems that they face? Is this not the coolest thing? Like, have you ever seen it so easy to write? I'm talking pro copy ever. This is the best software I've seen in ages. I was blown away. I was absolutely blown away. So anyway, yeah, it's really super cool. You can see, like I said, this sneak peek, this screenshot here, but that's showing you inside my actual account. you just walks you through. And then I don't have a sample of a final page yet, Melissa. I'm still working on mine, actually. So I don't have, because I got so sick, I got derailed. I was going to have it done by now. I meant to have it done last Wednesday, and I took a turn for the worse and got really tanked health-wise. So yeah, I get frustrated too. I know you guys get frustrated as well. Things take longer than they should. You get derailed. Something happens. Something comes up. This, that, and the other. But copy is the one thing I cannot stand to do. Writing a sales page, writing a promotional blog post, you name it. It is the thing I do not like to do. Let me show you an example of how much I will avoid writing copy. You probably saw this today in your inbox. This is how much I dislike writing promotional copy. Here is, how many of you saw this in your inbox today? The subject line of an email that said, decide if you want to open this email. I'm going to laugh again. That's really funny in hindsight. I was like, what can I do to convince them to open this email, right? And I was like, you know what? Decide for yourself. I just don't feel like writing copy. So if you actually open the email, if you decided you wanted to, this is what it says. I'll give you a copy of this for your laughs, for your humor file. So I didn't even tell them why they should click on the link. I didn't tell them why they should open the email, and you should always do that. You should write good copy. But this is just an example. So the email says, I'm a big believer in following your gut feeling, so I'll let you decide if you want to read this note or not. Melissa said, I love the simplicity of this. I just was not in a marketing mood. I don't like writing copy. Bill said I was curious because it is so not like you. Then I was suspicious of a virus, but I opened it anyway. Yeah, I didn't use the word because one time, not a single time. Might be because I'm medicated. That could be the case. Anyway, yeah, it is different. I don't like writing copy. That's the point I'm making. However, I am having fun with this program. It's a web-based software application. I can open it from my MacBook. I can open it from anywhere. All I have to do is log into my account, and I'm right where I left off, which suits me because I'm very cross-compatible, and I run between two PCs, two MacBooks, the iPad, and Android. And you never know when I'm going to walk through a room and put one down and pick another one up. Yes, you can have more than one avatar. You can have tons. So if you go into the My Avatar section, you can see there's already 5 here. But yeah, you can have as many as you want. It's unlimited projects, unlimited niches, unlimited sales copy, unlimited products. There's no limit. Melissa said, I can do this for clients? Yes. Yes. And with the coupon code, I got this for $42, and that was one time, no recurring fee, no monthly fee, no annual fee, no nothing. With the coupon code, I got it for $42. I don't know if that's still any good or not. This is my link. If the price is still $47 one time, then you want to get it tonight because I think it's midnight Eastern that I think it changes until at midnight Eastern tonight. And so, but there's a $5 off coupon code. Use that. It's only $42. You can't buy copy for $42. You cannot. There's no way. I mean, especially not something that's this detailed, that's going to spit out all the copy you need. So check this out. So you can generate scripts, but I want to go, let's just go, I'm going to, where's the coupon code? It's on the page. I put it in my email, I think, or in my message here. Oh, Kate said, I just got it. It's fantastic. Thanks for doing this demo. It made it easier to decide. Man, I didn't even know how to say this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I don't like doing copy, but this is fun. It's like fill in the blank. All right, where is that coupon code? Here it is, right here. It is awesome. It's awesomeness. All right, so check out this. Like, wait a minute. If you go down, you scroll way down here. Check out this different kind of stuff that it does. Or the places where you need your copy. That's the places where you need your copy. This is what I wanted to scroll down to, because I already looked in the niches. I was trying to find software, but hang on a second. I gotta keep scrolling. This is the coolest thing ever. All right, so when you go in to choose your niche, oh, that's a video again. There's all my friends. I missed them before because I was scrolling so fast. All right, check this out. It has like health and fitness, internet marketing, personal development, coaching, author, speaker, sales, social media, software, story emails, affiliate marketing. You know, you're gonna fit in here somewhere. It has lots of different kinds of niches, like you were seeing before, like, you know, weight loss, Mary, or whatever. Look at the different types of sales copy it creates. Banner ads, video scripts, downsell videos, upsell email sequences, one-time offer sales letter, flash sale email series, giveaway emails, your customer welcome product purchase email series. Do I think it'll convert? Yeah. Yes. Better than my own copy, that's for sure. And I actually have pretty good conversion rates. But yeah, because where were we? On the when you're creating it, it's fill in the blank step by step, and then it's going to do the copywriting. It's going to take your answers and create the copy, and of course you'll probably tweak it. So I haven't gotten that far yet because I got sick. I'm still annoyed about that. Anyway, it's guaranteed. You have a 30-day window for the guarantee. So if you think you want it, get it while it's cheap and it's not a recurring monthly fee. And then if you're not happy with it, just get a refund. That's what I would do. But I'm in love with it. I don't even like writing copy. The coupon code is 5 off script. And I'm going to give you my link again. This is my referral link. And but I don't even like writing copy, but this is just plain fun, which I have never, ever said about writing copy before. Exhibit A.